Happy Friday, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. I am your friendly neighborhood PM here to give you your top 3 market points of the week. Now, I said it last week, and I'm staying true to my word. It's all about earnings. So we're going to be giving you the top 3 names that were really moving markets this week. So without further ado, let's dive right in. And at name number 3, it's UNH, or UnitedHealth Group, posting a strong third quarter, beating on earnings and revenue, but falling quite a bit this past week because they had to lower their 2025 profit guidance below analyst estimates. This caused other managed care providers to also sell off. In addition to this, UNH also posted a higher than expected MLR ratio, or medical loss ratio, showing that they continue to get pressured by higher medical care costs. At name number 2, it's Netflix, posting a very strong third quarter, beating on pretty much every financial metric, and in addition to that, also adding another 5 million subscribers. Now, this is quite a bit of a turnaround over these past 2 years. If you recall, back in May of 2022, the stock was languishing a bit as slowing growth and slowing subscriber growth was starting to hit the company. Now, since that time frame, Netflix stock has quadrupled, and in that time frame, they've added 60 million subscribers, partially due to that lower tier service that includes ads, helping to drive subscriber growth into the platform. Now, only time's going to tell how long that this can be sustainable and what other avenues they need to explore to create further growth. But right now, Netflix is doing a great job. And then finally, at name number 1, it is the Dutch company ASML, falling close to 20% this past week after they had to announce that they had only booked less than half of what the street expected for their new machines. Now, this is very pivotal because ASML, for those of you that don't know, make these massive lithography machines that are key and integral to build leading edge chips that names like Taiwan Semi, Samsung, Intel use to create computer chips and those AI chips that you hear so much about in the news nowadays. Now, management did come out and say that consumer demand will be slow to recover into 2025, and some of those investment projects are being pushed back, leading to the lower bookings. Now, this did cause semiconductors and the chip industry as a whole to really sell off earlier in the week until pretty much Taiwan Semiconductor came out with their report yesterday and helped boost the market a little bit. So they are a key piece to the entire semiconductor supply chain. So we're going to keep a close eye on them and how that fluctuates with the entire industry going forward. Now, that does it for your top 3 names this week. What are we looking to for next week? Well, it's going to sound like a broken record. Well, next week, we are doing earnings again, so we'll have you 3 new names next week, and it's just really that time of the year, guys. So every quarter we're going to do this, and we're going to keep giving you new names. Hopefully you learn a little bit of something, and we'll keep you updated every time. Now, that does it for this week's video, but as always, if you have additional questions, please reach out to your financial advisor or dig into the written week in review. And as always, please go and enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you at the same time next week. Thanks again. Bye.